Hey guys, welcome back to Move Me to Texas. I'm your host, Riley Friesen, realtor with Independent Realty. Today, I'm going to show you 2 houses that are available to buy and 2 places that you cannot miss when you're in Cleburne, Texas. First up, let's explore Burgess Meadows, a new home community that's making waves in Cleburne. This community features homes beautifully built by Legend Homes, so let's go check it out. First up, let's explore Burgess Meadows, a new home community that's making waves in Cleburne. This community features homes built by Legend Homes, known for the quality and innovation they bring. If you're looking for the perfect blend of peaceful suburban living and easy access to Fort Worth, this is it. Burgess Meadows offers a range of innovative home designs by Legend Homes that cater to modern lifestyles. The community is conveniently located on Highway 174, near Highway 67 and I-35, making commuting a breeze. It's also zoned to the highly rated Joshua ISD schools, so you'll have top-notch education options for your family. All right, so that's it for Burgess Meadows. Let's take a trip across town to a listing with a gorgeous bathroom you have to see. Let's go. No, seriously, let's go. All right, here we are at 1106 Lynnwood. Now, normally I would take you to the living area, like the kitchen, but this exceptional property is listed by my friend Raydean Moreno, agent with the Emerton Group at Fathom Realty. This impeccably maintained home offers a blend of excellence and functionality, featuring rich wood and tile flooring throughout, which is completely carpet-free. The highlight is the expansive primary suite with direct access to the patio, a spa-like bathroom, and a massive walk-in closet with sleek floor-to-ceiling sections. One of the features I love best about this kitchen is the screen island. It happily complements all the cabinetry around. It also has a walk-in pantry and plenty of space to host. Plus, it has new windows and 2 HVAC systems installed in 2021 to ensure efficiency. The kitchen boasts a spacious island, walk-in pantry, and granite countertops, flowing into a living area with soaring ceilings and a gas fireplace. Outside, you'll find a fully in-ground sprinkler system and a charming front fountain, and the backyard is a gardener's dream. So you're gonna walk into this massive closet and wonder, what's upstairs? Well, I'd love to show you, but you have to click the link below so I can show you in person. So next on our tour is the Garden of Eating Bistro. It has been a local favorite since 2018 here in Cleburne, so I hope you're hungry. Let's go check it out. First on our tour is the Garden of Eating Bistro. It's one of my favorite spots to eat for lunch. This place isn't just about food, it's a full service experience. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by an electric and cozy atmosphere that perfectly complements the delicious food. Whether you're here for a casual lunch or a special occasion, the vibe is always warm and inviting. They take pride in serving fresh, made-from-scratch dishes. One of their standout items is the unsweetened coconut iced tea. I personally can't get enough of it. The Garden of Eating Bistro also features a boutique shopping experience within the restaurant. You can browse Joyful Soul Boutique and Lily's Sweet Shop items while you dine. So in addition to all the cool stuff up front, they actually have this secret, somewhat, back room where you can actually rent for small get-togethers, baby showers, wedding showers, those kind of things. This spot is all about community and creating a personal touch in every dish. It's not just a place to eat. It's a place where you can truly relax and enjoy the little things in life. So that's the Garden of Eating. Check out their social media for more information about dinner and occasional murder mystery for more information. Let's head over to Stone Trough Winery just down the road. For you locals, you might not recognize this building from the inside as the original Johnson County Water District building, because it's been completely renovated and is now known as Stone Trough Winery. Originally the Johnson County Water Department, this charming venue has been transformed into a cozy winery with a distinct character. The building's past is still evident, especially in the vinophile cellar, where original giant wheeled shelving is now used to store an impressive selection of Texas wines. So one of the unique things about this building in itself is they kept the original filing cabinet from the water department, and they call them the vino files, which makes sense because if I slowly, don't want to break it, crank this sideways, they keep all of their wine filed away. The history of the building adds an extra layer of charm and intrigue to your visit. Stone Trough Winery is owned by Kevin and Stephanie Maxwell. They run the winery along with their family, including their children, Cole, Kendall, and Hayden. They've embraced the challenges of running a winery and farm with enthusiasm and dedication. While they started with high hopes of making their own wine, they soon realized that their true passion lies in curating and sharing exceptional wines from around Texas. One of the most fascinating aspects of Stone Trough Winery is their vineyard. A vineyard combines a vineyard, an orchard, and a garden into a single sustainable ecosystem. This innovative approach not only supports the health of the soil, but also enhances the quality of the grapes grown. So whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or just looking for a unique place to unwind, Stone Trough Winery offers an authentic and unique experience. Make sure to visit and experience their exceptional wines next time you're in Cleburne, Texas. Thanks for joining us on this tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe down at the bottom so you don't miss another one of our adventures.
Go back to.
I have to do this though, huh?
Yeah, bring to your face.
I don't know if I can do that again. All right, so that's it for Burgess Meadows. Let's take a trip across town to a house with a. Why?
Actually, don't grab it. I have a better idea.
Okay, you're gonna hit me in the face? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Riley Friesen. That's not the name of it. Hey guys, welcome back to Riley. What is the name of the channel? Move Me to Texas. Move Me to Texas. Hey guys, welcome back to Move Me to Texas. Why? It's like once I mess up, I have to mess up. It's like a thing. It's like wine in here. Oh look! Me. It compliments me.
Got that.
I fit here. Man, that was a good one too. Back in the old water district. Okay. Because now it has been revamped and is now Stone Trough Winery.